Incomplete. Incomplete means the generated response is incomplete. So it could have generated a more complete answer, but it failed to do so. Could be the effect of poorly worded questions, lack of, again, the right context retrieved, bad reasoning by the LLM. So if you're using a less powerful LLM with more complex questions, this could have a challenge. Solutions, no-brainer, the first one, use a better LLM like GPT-4o, Claude 3.5, Gemini 1.5, now Llama 3.1 or Llama 3, both are pretty good. Build agentic systems with tool use if necessary, which means if it's not able to get the relevant answer, go and find it, just like we showed in the first hands-on. You can use advanced prompting techniques for more complex questions, especially reasoning and so on, like chain of thought, self-consistency. Some of this are even being covered in one of the talks. Last one is what I will be covering, very interesting. Rewrite the user query and improve retrieval. This is from a research paper which was published some time back called HIDE.